Hey, Stock Bros, I got an update on the NUMI Halt. A couple of points that I want to share with you. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got news at 4:15 p.m. Eastern that NUMI announced that the closing of a 17 million bought deal offering inclusion full exercise over over allotment option. So that was the reason it was halted for the past 24 hours, is because of this news. I mean, it's nothing new, but the reason for the halt was this news. So what does the company intend to use the funds for? The company intends to use the net proceeds of the offering for clinic upgrades to prepare for clinical trials, laboratory upgrades, clinical acquisition, research, and development of the medical protocols, and general working capital. So this is all good news, meaning that the company will have more money on hand to get all these things in place for 2021. So that's good news. If you're a holder like I am of the stock, it may not be good news when they unhalt it in the next trading session. So it may actually go a bit lower. It depends on each person is their own strategy of investment. For me, I'm going to be long on this one. I believe in 2021 they're going to have a couple of breakthroughs, possibly partnerships, possibly new investors coming in, maybe new doctors working on the NUMI development. So this is all good news as long as they keep growing. That's good for us. I bought in actually around the $2 range, so I'm averaging down whenever I can. If you have your own mental stop losses, I suggest you take them wherever you need to. If this is not for you, then just sell and move on. There's no point of worrying about a company. But if you're trying to hold for the long term, these are all good news updates. So there's actually another article that was covered by deepdive.ca. These guys cover a lot of stocks, sometimes right, sometimes they're wrong. But this got onto their radar as well. They're just reporting on what I had just reported as well from another website. But basically, they also mentioned the company also concurrently announced that it has raised 8.9 million in addition to gross proceeds from the exercise of warrants and stock options, resulting in the firm having a strong cash position. So they're going into 2021 strong with a good, strong cash position. Who knows what their next plans are? But if the stock suffers a pullback, I will be adding, and I'm looking to more upside in 2021. In the last video, I shared with you that the psychedelics industry is gearing up for an even bigger 2021. So that can only mean going up for our NUMI here, especially with the team that they have. It's pretty amazing. Here's some more information. So the growing number of companies entering the public market, they do see these companies that are joining the market do see potential of the psychedelic derived meds treating people with depression and PTSD, something that's growing in communities all around the world. So the psychedelic drugs market is forecast to grow at a CAGR of 16.3% to reach 6.85 billion by 2027. So if NUMI and MindMed, if these guys are the front runners, along with all the other companies listed on this article, which I'll share in the description, NUMI has a good chance of being a front runner here. So the fact that they locked in the deal, got the money, they're well on their way to growing in 2021, especially with their team of doctors and people on their director board. So, I mean, this company is going to be on the up and up going into 2021. So, I mean, we'll suffer a pullback, obviously, but I'm expecting a good run up to beat their high of, I believe, was $2.30 Canadian. I'm sure they'll be well above that. I also shared in a previous video that the technical analysis of them reaching somewhere above the $3 range. But that's the update on NUMI. That's the halt. What you want to do next is up to you. There are other plays out there. It's just one of the stocks that the Stock Bros follow. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Please share this video with your friends. And let's grow that Stock Bro community. Take care. Peace out. Bye.